guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really fast. It is how you make your own elderberry syrup. I get asked this mostly by just my friends that I know in real life and by family about what recipe I use. I make elderberry syrup almost every week. I've told you in my other videos, my daughter goes to school, preschool, daycare, and all the germs. Our weather has been so crazy and everybody is sick right now, I feel like. So I'm trying to avoid that because I don't have time. If you're hearing weird like moaning sounds, it's that guy. Hard life. So just so you know. So what I've done is just kind of walked you through how I made the elderberry syrup. And again, I make it every week and then I just keep it in the fridge in a little pour bottle, which I'll show you. I think the pour bottle was just from Target, and you typically use it for like olive oil or balsamic vinegar or something like that for cooking or salads, but it works really well just to pour it and like portion out. So anyways, that's where I got that from. But as usual, I have linked everything down below, including the recipe of the measurements that I use. I've made it so much that I've gotten to the point I just kind of eyeball everything, but I put down the measurements of everything I did in the description box below. So if you want to make your own elderberry syrup, keep watching. that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I do give my daughter 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon every single day, sometimes twice a day if I feel like, we just need to keep everything at bay. And then I and my husband take a tablespoon a day. And then if you start to feel like kind of sniffly, or you start to notice that your kids are congested, I will up it to once in the morning and once at night. And then if that doesn't work and they do get a cold or you're not feeling well, take your dosing 1 every 2 to 3 hours. And it works like a charm. It shortens colds so much. But again, I am not a doctor, so please do not take this as medical advice. Please consult with your doctor should you have questions. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye!